Let's get pudding. Now we have our completed banana cream pudding in a cup. It's all settled and ready to be topped with some garnishes. So what garnishes could we use? Well, first we could use these individual garnishes, fruit garnishes for banana cream pudding, like bananas, strawberries, blueberries, or coconut, or just put some Ghirardelli chocolate on it, or Hershey's chocolate on as a topping, and then top it off with some whipped cream. So let's get pudding. So my favorite combination would be sliced bananas, some coconut with Ghirardelli chocolate. Let's get pudding. So we have our banana cream pudding and all our garnishes. We're going to top it off with sliced bananas, coconut, some chocolate sauce, and wrap it all up nice in a nice package with ready whipped cream. Let's get pudding. We take our sliced bananas and just lay them on top of the banana cream pudding, and we get them all in there, about 6 or 7 slices. Then we can sprinkle some grated coconut on top of that, and then finish it off with some Ghirardelli's chocolate sauce. It's going to come out nice and slowly there, and you can make any kind of little design you want. And just put it on there nice and plentiful. And now we finish it with some ready whipped cream. Now you have a banana split banana cream pudding, ready to enjoy as any kind of dessert any time of day. I think I'll have mine right now. Let's get pudding. Let's get pudding. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Let's Get Pudding, featuring banana cream pudding, topped off with a bunch of garnishes that you might enjoy. Check out our future episodes on YouTube, and hope to see you again real soon. Let's get pudding.